Print and build 'em, bend and pose 'em, twist and turn 'em. Toys able to separate. TATS, print, build, take 'em apart. Robots, bugs and rockets, right from the start. Print and build 'em, bend and pose 'em, twist and turn 'em. Castles and creatures, whatever you desire. TATS set your imagination on fire. With pivots and rotations that move every way. Print and build your favorite action figure today.